start the program today. So we have to separate the digits of a number. Okay, let's take float input enter a number. First let's go with the basics. The decimal point is found equal to false at first. We need to initialize the value. We can later see it. L comma L1 equal to this comma this. But to increase readability, you can like the two lines. You can let me copy it once. Two lines like this. You can do like this. But I think it won't be necessary to make the code clean. So I just club it in one line. Write it like this. Okay. Now let's go for I in string of we are converting into string. Otherwise, I would have done this in string or not in string. That happens. If dot if I equals dot the character, let's suppose dot, then we will d equal to true. The decimal point is forming, continue, it will continue with the next iteration. Okay, otherwise I think this is it. Then we can tell now if d let print if d decimal point is I'm sorry. Yes, sorry for that. D equal to true. Only if I equal to yes, at the end that code also I try to explain it to you. But you know, no, if d means if it is true, then I will dot append I else one dot append I. And this was written in that code. Sorry, by mistake it come. This. Yes, now we just got to print for I will print I this. We will customize the printing statements also. I mean, I would can look with L1. The number it is asked, we will do 12.34 and 341. It can like 34 at first. Here we can print digits after decimal. Digits after decimal as it is the digits after decimals. The new line we can do it like this. Decimal one, this coming after and this before decimal, and because as it is printing end, so here another new line we need to insert. Sorry for that. Before decimal. Reverse guys, you can see. No, press OK. Sorry. This account to account 34. So once it digits after decimal 34 and is before the decimal is this. Let's see what happens if we just say reverse. I think we should do it. This notification will take this. This doesn't work here. Reverse equal to true. Let's leave it. I got the desired output. Now let's try to make it. At first we will try we will take input. Entire this entire thing we will put inside trial except value error. It can not a number. And here we can do this, or let's not do it. Except exception. In the format print make another. So let's just simply write paper upward my e. Now it's done. Let's 12H. Now say now the number. Yes, and actually this form is well done. Okay. See here we can try here. Yes, not this one. 12.348. See? Is not. Yes, that is not a number. See, numerator is not, except name error. No? Yes. Actually, I say the triangle of it is different. Let's just leave it. I just try except it is okay. Yes. Try. We will try. Let's put enter. 12H. You see, A is not good for us. As it is taking it up as try A equal to float input and let's use chat. Let's drag. There it is if float means if it is convertible to float, otherwise if it is not convertible to float, then that's answer. Minimal changes. That's what take it. Run both the ports. 12H. See, input is not a number. 94. Input is not easy. Okay. So it is. But and yesterday analyzed a float and there if you had given A was not being accessible here because A got used in this track and after it is a block, so globally we had to define it as compared to this what was our code, its mirrors. Yes, so this is it.